Hello children, we are going to start up a lesson from your term book 7, chapter 8, and the lesson name is The Flower Girl Become a Princess. Children, this story is extracted from Pygmalion play written by George Bernard Shaw. And the lesson name is, which I already said, The Flower Girl Becomes a Princess. Children, we are on page number 6 of your term book 7. We are going to start up with a new chapter, chapter number 8. The flower girl becomes a princess. Here we go with the story. Children, have you noticed the different ways in which people speak the same language? Yes, Hindi is spoken by people belonging to Haryana, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Madhya Pradesh, and Bihar. But the English spoken by a person who hails from Rohtak in Haryana is different from that spoken in Patna, Bihar. The different forms of the same language are called dialects. Children, now let's complete this exercise. Working independently, complete the following questionnaires and then share your answer with your classmates. Do all of you have similar views? Let's see now. The first question is, outsiders usually don't understand the language of local group. Yes, I agree with this. Then the next question is, people from a different region have often misunderstood me. I do agree with this. Then the third statement is, people who speak in a dialect or sometimes make fun of. That is, people may make fun out of that. I agree with this as well. And for the fourth one, each region creates and passes on its unique language. That means each region has its own language. Yes, I agree with this as well. And the last one is city dwellers, that is, the person belong to a particular place. They don't have any dialect, children. Dialect in the means different forms of the same language. Yes, I agree with this also. Children, before we move on to the lesson, let's have an idea about these words. Accent, a method of pronouncing words common to a group of people. It can also refer to stress on certain syllables. Local accent is nothing but pronunciation or a part of local dialects. Any dialects of English has unique features in pronunciation, vocabulary and grammar. Cockney, English spoken by working class people living in London. Themes. Language. One of the important themes in the play is that of language. Language is shown to be a major class maker, dividing people into the poor and the rich, flower girls and ladies. As such, language is both a means of communication and lack of communication, like dividing people rather than getting them closer to each other. Higgins' experiment proves language to be a means of social mobility, helping Eliza bridge the gap between classes. Children, these are all the few characters of our story. The flower girl becomes a princess. The characters are Professor Higgins, flower girl Eliza, Colonel Prickling, Mrs. Higgins, hostess, host, Nepomuk. Let's have an introduction about this character, Eliza Doolittle. Pygmalion is about the poor flower girl from the slum, Guttersnip, the squashed cabbage leaf, who turned into a fine lady. At the beginning of the play, Eliza appears as a vulgar, low-class girl, totally devoid of manners, and who speaks a horrible form of English. Eliza is a victim of society and family conditions. Her father is not there for her during her lifetime and only shows up when he finds an opportunity to win some money paying her to Higgins. We have another important character in our play, Professor Henry Higgins. He is a brilliant, educated, and talented intellectual. He has great achievements in his field of study, phonetics. Another important character of this play is Colonel Prickling. Colonel Prickling, the author of Spoken Sanskrit, is a match for Higgins, although somewhat less obsessive in his passion for phonetics. Children, let's begin this play with scene 1, and the name of the first scene is The Bed. Professor Higgins, an expert on phonetics, and Colonel Prickling, who is interested in the study of Indian dialect, are seated in Higgins' room. A shabbily dressed flower girl with a Cockney accent enters. She is the one whom Higgins and Prickling had met at Covent Garden the previous day. Higgins started the conversation. It's you. I met you yesterday. Your accent was terrible. You are of no use. Be off. I don't want you. For that, Flower Girl replied, You ain't here what I come for it. You do know what I want. I'm come to have lessons and to pay for 'em too. I want to be a lady in a flower shop instead of selling at the street corner. Higgins continued his conversation by asking, What's your name? Flower Girl replied as Eliza Doolittle. Higgins further said that your accent is dreadful. I cannot waste my time teaching you to speak good English. By hearing that, Eliza started crying. Higgins replied as, Your sounds are horrible. Stop it. Prickling. Higgins, I'm interested. What about the ambassador's garden party? I will bet you all the expenses of the experiment. I'm sure you can't do it. I'll pay for the lessons. Higgins thinks, all right. In next 6 months, I will pass her off as a duchess. Her class begins at 4:30 this afternoon. Elsa's lessons go on for months before her first appearance in London society. During this time, Higgins had been working on her pronunciation. Children, now let's learn hard words and their meaning from page number 7 of the play, The Flower Girl Becomes a Princess. Expert, specialist, phonetics, accent, dialects, local language of specific group of people, Cockney accent, dialect of a person belongs to East London, previous day, yesterday, shabbily, not fairly,